Big Daddy is going to do some welding. Look at that, sparkling. Almost like he knows what he's doing.
Almost.
Yep. Look at the skill. Sparkle.
Now I gotta grind.
Now he's going to try to grind. Got a rockin' deadly picture, eh?
Yeah, that's a nice camera.
Yeah.
Now we gotta turn up the remote. We're gonna go to 60.
And we're gonna fill.
Now we need some different rod.
Smile for the camera.
Look at this.
Now he can't even get his rod out there. Or his stick.
Stinger. Got my stinger out.
Look out. There he is welding again. Woo! Like a pro. Make your kids proud. Watch this one have a big repair.
I've been lucky so far.
Yeah, it's been a good sight, not too many at all.
None of those things.
There's been a couple little repairs.
Didn't have my name on it.
Nope.
Not this time anyway.
That's our heat. That's how you keep the house warm. Oh, that's how we burn my glove. I'm sure that glove's nice and warm now. That's 3 minutes.
Yeah?
Yep. And here we go again.
We'll go right to the end.
Burning the rods, kids, burning rods.
We gotta turn it up again. We're gonna use a bigger rod. You gonna smack it again with that?
Yeah, I'm gonna kill this then. You want this thing off?
Yeah, just push that button.